it's what we do.
Pay.
Huh?
You need to pay.
I ain't got any change on me, have you?
I have.
Yeah, the toilets here, unless you go into somewhere like Jollibee, McDonald's, you normally have to pay 5 pesos. So just remember that. The times I've walked into these toilets, come out and then just walked off while paying. And Mel's going, no, you gotta pay, you gotta pay. So this is the E-Mall. We don't really come here very often. There's a food court upstairs, and sometimes Mel drags me in to get certain foods that she likes. Where? Ah, right. Here you are, look. Here's Nagaland Hotel. Now, I've not been in before, like I say, I've not actually...
I've been here before, it's nice.
You've been in and it's nice?
Yeah.
What, with your boyfriend? Ah. See? Just because this is a crossing, it means nothing. You've just got to dodge the traffic. So there you go, Nagaland's opposite the E-Mall. Just over there is McDonald's, and Plaza is just further up the road there, so it's not far from Plaza.
Perfume.
Oh, perfume?
Yeah.
No, I don't want perfume, I want aftershave. What's this perfume thing?
For you, the one that you use, I don't like the smell.
Oh, you're very choosy, aren't you? I bought this aftershave thing the other day, and she's going, oh, what's that smell? I says, it's me. Oh, I don't like.
It's very old. The smell.
Yeah, thank you. You say the nicest things. So up here's the food court, and then there's a 3rd floor, but there's not a lot on it. It's mainly furniture and stuff. Well, it's not just the food court, there's other shops, but this is the food court here. So there you go, if you want a camera for your car, that's built into a mirror. Perfumes. Getting back to how do you find a nice Filipina? Up there. So we got Western Union and stuff. Oh, there's 4 floors, Mel. I thought there's only 3. It's always better if you know somebody that knows somebody, because I know it's difficult, but you've got to come here and make some male friends, because I've had guards come to me and say, are you single? And I'm being serious. Are you single? Because I've got a sister and she's looking for a foreigner and blah 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 blah. But you'll find that if you're very outgoing and happy and smiley, they'll talk to you anyway. They'll just come up to you and ask you if you're married, or you're staying here, or you're only here on vacation. I'll have to switch this off now. Now I'll go and find the toilet. So we're on the 4th floor of the E-Mall. I didn't know there was 4 floors. And it's got all furniture up here, like I said. So it's new. Somewhere else to come, I guess. There you go. Very good. and that's the way out. So I don't know where the toilets are here. Oh, that's better. I found it. Why we still got Christmas decorations up? You what? Yeah.
Where?
No, I know you've got it, Mel. I saw you looking before we left the house. Very good. See how she keeps tapping me on. So, have I got a sign now? No?
No, you need to show your face because ate, where's Chris?
Oh, does she know me?
No, because your ID you can find.
I know. Calm down, calm down. Right, I told Mel that we're just having a look at some earrings because I was seeing what was available for Jessica, not for Mel, so she doesn't know. I'm looking for earrings for Mel, for her rather, and Bill is paying for them. So even though she knows, like I say, we're looking for earrings, she doesn't realise it's for her. But I'm looking around and it's all garbage, and the real gold is very expensive here for some reason. Yeah, it's very funny here. I got a bit frustrated because in the UK, when you go on these coin machines and you win, you get the coins, you get the money you're winning. Here, you get tickets, and it's. I'm going to Mel. What's this? She says tickets. You got to save them, and then, I mean, you have to get a million tickets to get anything decent. I mean, I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. What? How much?
5 pesos per token.
Huh?
5 pesos per token. Just buy 4.
Yes, mummy. So, last time I come here, I was like a big kid. I'm going on everything. And I wanted to get Sophia a little fluffy toy. But as all dads and mums know, you may as well go out and buy the toy because it works out cheaper.
Can you do it?
Yeah, we can do it, but it's not gonna... It doesn't grip, babe. You want one of them rather than the one?
It's up to you. It's alright.
I'm no good at basketball. See, like this is what I'm saying. If you go on this and you win any money, it just all goes in the tray and you get a ticket. I felt robbed. I won a load of money. I'm going, wait.
You need to get that over down. If you get that, you have 50 tickets.
50 tickets, yeah. I'd rather have 50 pesos.
This one is for the change of tickets. Ticket. Like for example,
So
if you have a 162 tickets.
it says the amount of tickets you've got to have, look, to get these. I mean, a little lollipop, 162 tickets. Seriously? But I mean, it's all just to have a bit of fun, isn't it? Yeah.
There's a fun.
A fan, yeah. 11,000. Oh my God. Are you going to put him on the horse, Mel? I never thought I'd be doing this again. So that's it. All my kids are growing up. Oh, yeah, oh. Has he pooed? Oh, I've wondered what I could smell. God. Oh, wow. We've just been having a look along these stalls. They don't sell gold, it's just junk, you know, stuff that's going to rust in your ears sort of thing. So we've had a look at some real gold. No way. Just as well she doesn't know I was going to get her some earrings, otherwise she'd have been upset. You what, baby?
Nothing.
Nothing. Did you say I was guapo? When I ask her to repeat, she'll go, nothing, you're guapo.
I said there's a massage there.
Oh, massage.
You want happy ending? $50.
Okay.
Happy ending! You happy now?
No.
I wish I'd never taught you how to do that. Right. Let's have a look in here. I better switch the camera off. They'll think I'm trying to rob them. So we're in like a pawn shop, and these are the little earrings they've got, and I'm not going to tell you the price.
That heart is nice.
The heart's beautiful, isn't
Yeah.
it? 18 carat gold. Do you like that? So they've allowed me to film that, but obviously they don't want. Oh, so we ended up.
Hey, I have my earrings now. I
Yeah.
thought it's for Sophia.
Yeah, well, Bill wanted it to be a surprise. It was for you.
Thank you very much, Bill. I have a Christmas gift. A Christmas gift. Birthday's gift.
Birthday,
Advance.
early advance
Yeah.
birthday gift
Yeah.
for
Thank you
end
very
of this
much,
month.
Bill. But why you pay a lot?
It was a lot of money, yeah. Yeah, it's all right.
But I said to you, you don't need to buy expensive, right? I'm content for the cheaper like that. It's not.
Yeah, but your ears can't have cheaper. When it comes to your ears, you've got to have gold, don't you?
Yeah. Because if you have point. Because if I wearing cheap earrings, my ears can.
And you know I don't mind spending money on you, don't you? Hey.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, Bill.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sam, very, very much. Yay!
Hey. Wow. Like I told you guys. Oh, right. Yeah, can you see? 18 karat gold. If you want to buy gold, you're best to buy it where you are and bring it with you, because gold prices here are just stupid. And then if you took it back to the pawn shop, you won't get anywhere near what you've just paid for it. Not that I'm suggesting you pawn anything, of course, but just an indication of how it works here. I know it works like that in any pawn shop, but you know, you pay a lot of money for gold and silver here, and it's not worth anything if you come to sell it.
I'm scared to wear this.
Yeah, you might get mugged now, eh? Yeah.
What if I lose this, so you will not have that?
You won't lose them.
Accidentally?
Well, just wear them for best then or something, I don't know. So, it looks like that's it, guys. That's our visit to Mall. Short and sweet. So if you're in Naga, give Mall a little look around. If you want some rubbish that'll only last a week or two, go to the cheap shops and get all the Chinese goods. It's one of my pet hates about here, it really is. Nothing lasts. Nothing lasts at all. So it's over to Mel with her new earrings.
Please hit the like button, please subscribe and share our video.
And don't forget to visit our new revamped website at BritainThePhilippines.com. Compliments of Christopher Monk, our friend, who's also one of our patrons. Thanks ever so much, Chris. We really, really do appreciate everything you've done. So that's it, guys. Till the next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping